YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment my YouTube channel, and you can mention your queries and suggestions in the comment section. Now today we will discuss that's chapter 2, class 9, science 2.4, question 1, part number 4. Guys, this is very important question. If you just see the past paper, 5-year past papers, you will get this question repeatedly in 2-3 years back, and it's 2023. So in 2022 paper, morning shift paper, that question was given in the long. So if you will watch the video, you will learn how to solve this question. Very probably in your papers also this question might come, and you can get it come as long question. So you might get 4 marks if you watch the video. This is a very important question and it comes in the paper very important. So let's start it. So it is 81 and 3 5 minus 3 4n minus 1 243 and 9 2n and 3. So 81 is actually 3 power 4 and n, 3 power 5 minus, you can write it 3 power 4 and 3 power 1 and into 3 power 4, 3 power how much? 243, 3 power 5 would be 43 and divided by 9, and 9 is 3 power 2 and 2 to the 4n and 3 power 3. Now guys, what you have to do, either you can take common 3 power 4 and 5 and 3 power 4 and 5, or either you can add. We can take common 3 power 4n and 3 power 5. So what we will get, that's 1. So what we do normally, that we broke it, this 3 power 5 into 3 power 4 and 3 power 1 minus 3 power 4 and then 5 plus 5 minus 1 would be 4. Okay, and this would be 3 power 4 and 3 power 3. Now what you will do, you're going to take common 3 power 4 and 3 power 4. You will get 3 minus 1 and 3 power 4 and 3 power 3. So 3 power 4 and 3 power 4 and cancel. 3 power 4 would be broke down into 3 power 3 and 3 power 1. 3 minus 1 would be 2 and 3 power 3. 3 power 3, 3 power 3 cancel. So 3 and 2 is 6. So this is your answer, and very easy question, and it come in the 4 marks long question. So do practice it and don't forget to like, सब्सक्राइब, शेयर, कमेंट माई यूट्यूब चैनल. इसी तरह से आप करेंगे तो आपको मैथ्स बहुत इजी मैथ में मिलेगा. और दूसरा ये कि जो बोर्ड के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस होते हैं जिससे आपको पेपर में आप अच्छे मार्क्स ले सकते हैं, वो टिप्स भी और वो क्वेश्चंस भी आपको मिलेंगे.